Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can manage Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by accessing your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard icon right away. If you can't see it at the top, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Clipboard. You can also drag it to the top to make it accessible from tab bar. Either way, after tapping on Clipboard, you can click on any of your text that you copied in order to paste it. In order to pin this text, click on Pin icon at the top right corner. Select text that you wish to pin and hit Done at the top right corner as well. To delete it, click on this pin. Click on text that you wish to delete and tap on Delete twice. In order to add any text to Clipboard, just hold the chosen section or word and click on Cut or Copy in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!